Hey guys, another quad lock related video. I'm trying to get some sort of case combination that is a bit lighter than what I currently use. My first quad lock case that I've used for my iPhone 13 Pro Max is this case here, which is just a standard non-mag case, and I was using one of these rings to hold the phone, and which was good. I was using one of these wireless charge heads that just screw into it like that to charge the phone. Was good, worked okay, but I wanted to make it a bit lighter, because as much as this is very rugged and strong and very protective, it is a bit on the heavy side. So I went for something very slim, carbon fiber, very minimalistic, I guess, case, which worked alright. I had to use this connector. This is a universal attachment for quad lock, so you can put on your own cases or phones. Then the mag series came out, so then I ended up I didn't have that wasn't mag ready, so I couldn't use it with this type of wireless charger, and I've got the same sort of charge head in the car and on my bedside table and in the office. So then I upgraded to a quad lock, back to quad lock cases, which this has got the magnet here, and it just sort of sits, just fits on the magnet there, and same, you can charge it at the top or at the bottom, and that worked fine. Now with this, I was using back to this ring here, and that worked alright for a while. Was okay. I do have fat fingers, so it was just right, I guess. Maybe a little on the small size, this ring, for my fingers. So they did release, I don't think that long ago, this magnetic one, which is a bit larger. You can see the difference between the two rings, so that's definitely larger than that, which is much better. I have quite a bit of space there. The benefits of that is that you can have it in any orientation. You're not limited to vertical, horizontal. It can fit 360 anywhere around this, and also has the bulb opener, if that's a functionality someone likes. I've only used it once, and not that I didn't have an opener, it's just I wanted to see how it works. But yeah, so having this case and that, it just became quite heavy. I wanted to find something to make it a bit lighter, so that in conjunction with the phone. So if I take this other case off, so that's what I was having. I had the phone with the case with the mag ring. So I've got a scale here ready, so it's on 0. This is grams, by the way. So we're looking at 357 grams, quite heavy. I mean, the phone itself is only 249. I do like this ring, so I do want to use it, but I didn't realize that what they're selling now is this universal adapter, mag adapter. So that was the old one. It didn't have the magnet around the circle, the magnetic circle around, but this one does. So I just bought this now. So I'm going back to my carbon fiber case. I'm going to attach that. So then, having the case with that and that, we're looking at 331 grams. So yes, I'm gonna touch this and then see if he actually manages to charge through it. I did a little test universal adapter on top of the wireless charger. Charging, here we go. So it's charging now, you can see in the corner there, but I haven't removed this layer of, once I remove this should be even thinner, so it should pass through even better. So I'm going to test it with that, and also the wireless charger, say that one, or the fixed one for the motorbike. So get back to you with the results in 2 seconds once I attach this to the case. Okay, to attach the universal adapter, what I do is use one of these a heat gun. You just hit up the 3M adhesive at the bottom of that, and then you stick it in place. But before that, what I notice is, before you even peel off the protective sheet, just sit it on top of the phone, on top of the case, and I've got the phone in the case, and this one it's will magnetize with the magnet, the phone magnet. So just sort of move it around until the magnet attracts it and finds its spot, and then you know that's where you should aim to glue it. So then I just drew 2 lines, right and left, in line with these lines here, and then I just placed it on top, and whilst it's hot, the glue softens up a bit and it just sticks way better. And just press it down a bit and done. So then I can use my ring again with this new case. So yeah, it's still heavy, because this is quite heavy, so that's the only down thing about this. I like a lot about this, the design, that it's larger, magnetic, you can easily remove it, you don't need to fit it in the holes there to spin around. Bottle opener, yeah, maybe, yeah, and you can use it as a stand for it to watch it, I guess, if you want to watch something on your phone, angle it in different ways. Yeah, so it's a little bit lighter than that combination. So yes, that's what I'll be using now. Charges, if I was to use an old wireless charger, and now that turned to green and green, so it's charging. So you can charge it with the old style wireless charger, the new mag charger as well. Oh, I pinched the cord from it, so it's not gonna just magically charge. Wireless, but not that wireless. But yep, that charges. You can't charge it down here, I don't think. Hang on. Oh no, it charges at the bottom as well. That's pretty cool. It goes through all this, even from the outside. I thought it's just this inner part that goes inside here that will be closer to the phone to charge it, but that seems to charge it at the bottom as well. So that's pretty cool, pretty neat. I'm just gonna check to see if it works on the motorbike, the lock-in wireless charger. 2 seconds, let's go there. Alright, so here's the wireless charger on the motorbike, and I've got the case with the universal adapter. Here we go, charging. So it works on that one as well. That's good to see. Quadlock, if you're watching this, can you make a case that is not that rugged, that heavy duty? I understand it gives a lot of protection, but not everyone's needs that much protection, let's say. So just something thin like this, very small profile, where you can with the built-in one of these, pretty much a thinner version of that, and maybe clear seems to be popular these days, or different colors. There's not much out there, not many options. It's just black, and I think I saw some special edition ones or something, but they don't seem to be widely available on the website to buy them anytime. So yeah, it's a thinner, a lighter case would be nice from you guys, and this as well. I like a lot of quite a few things I like about this. The only part that I don't is that it's heavy. It's heavy, and it doesn't have to be that heavy. It can be lighter if we still have a magnet. Also, this magnet, if it can be accessed from the outside, so when you have that, you don't have to remove it to stick your phone on a flat surface, on a flat metal surface. You can stick it with a ring. So if that was magnetic, to just attach your phone like that, don't have to pull this out every time when you want to stick it to a surface. That would be nice. So that's just a few bits that I'd like to see from Quad Lock to come up with. We'll see how they go. Alright, cheers, see you guys, bye.